Hi everyone, good morning to you, good morning, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So I am here to share something with you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It is very funny that many of you are still in doubt, but it has been proven. Even if you are doubting all this, why this video is going to help you to understand that now our ada bosa ife na nkịtị okwu ndị Igbo ma bụrụ inu awọ ada bosa ife na nkịtị. Chukwuegbu, aka UDELE, is not relenting. And you know, I felt so bad about this particular news simply because I'm a kind of person that hates when somebody that I have shown kindness decide to reply me with evil. If I've done something good to you, and instead of you to appreciate me, not by just words, but your action, your next line of action is actually targeted against me, directly or indirectly, I felt so bad about it. And when the same thing happened to another person, I also felt so bad about it. I feel pained when somebody that you have shown kindness begin to reply me with evil. This is not about me, I'm just saying. It's about Sowore. Sowore devoted his time, his no time in the money now. He devoted his time to make sure that UDELE, was just to free him from prison. You remember that UDELE served in prison without nobody coming for him. He was being detained by people say by Ebukobi. I don't know. Some people say that no, it's other pastors, many Nigerian pastors that he insulted and cajoked, those that he dared to do something and other, because he started with pastors and he graduated from that to turning against Igbo. If you hear his line of argument against the Nigerian Biafran Civil War, you understand what I'm saying. If you hear his argument about IPOB and Biafra, you understand what I'm saying. If you dare hear his argument about Igbo marginalization, you understand what I'm saying, because he's against all those things that I've mentioned. He claimed that Igbos are not marginalized. He claimed that civil war was caused by Igbos and Igbos deserved to die. He claimed that the 1966 coup, happened because of Igbos, some portion of Igbo people that are very greedy and all that. He even made an argument that you cannot blame people who made it possible that Igbos will not rule Nigeria. He said, after all, Hausa people have not ruled Nigeria. This guy can say a lot of things, and some senseless Igbo people like Yambaba will just sit down moping like moron. And I'm here not to talk about other things than what his recent utterance. I saw this from Sowore, and I felt like, okay, let me share it this morning. You can see he said, I was contracted to assassinate Sowore. That's he differently, because this just to no matter, I don't know Sowore in person, but the thing is that the reason why I want to call your attention on this, because I've been saying it here. The way the guy is moving, he's moving as if somebody contracted him, and you cannot see it. These utterances that he made goes to tell you that everything that I've been telling you, that I felt about him, what I think about him, has been right all this while. And now we are going to listen to him saying that before I even make any other utterance, based on the word, based on the utterances that he made, so that you understand it and hear it from horse's mouth. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are new, please don't hesitate to like the video. Like the video and subscribe. Share it to many platforms of your choice. And get it, get the bell notification on, so that you will be part and parcel of what we do here. We are not here to attack anybody. Rather, we expose, the lies and bring forward the truth, so that you cannot make your final judgment. Listen to this conversation. I will be right back.
Any Igbo sympathy.
Of course.
This is a man that came for you when you were
that does not stop me from saying the truth. That does not. I fought for him too. Let me say it here. I hope the people he surrounds himself with will reject the type of the type of offer I rejected to assassinate him. I will tell you this for free. Yes. I called somebody has made that offer to me. When we are off, I will tell you who.
Now, hold it here. He has said it himself. You can hear it direct from his mouth. Before somebody make an offer for you to assassinate somebody, it had been clear to the person that this is what you do. Can you go to Father Mbakana and say, okay, maybe I'm going too far. Maybe I'm going too far. Can you go to, who would I pick? Somebody like that is vocal like him. Okay. Can you go to somebody, the guy they called Okurola? Can you go to Okurola and ask Okurola, I want you to let me pay you so that you can assassinate somebody, assassinate Sowore? Because you already know what Okurola stands for. Do you understand what I'm saying? Or can you go to somebody like who again will I mention? I'm just trying to pick on like Igbo content creators, because he's a content creator. He's the assassinator who hides under content creation, trying to be a content creator, but his main business is something else. I wouldn't have said this, but I have to say it because he said it here, that somebody contracted him to assassinate Sowore. There's many reasons to link it up and let me know what you think about it. That simply means that Sowore, to him, is very, very lucky. Like I said, for somebody to contract you to assassinate somebody, they have known your field, what you are capable of doing. If you don't believe me, what do you call what he's doing in Igbo land today? What do you call that? Just keep on listening to him. Just listen to him because he has not finished. He have many other things to say.
To go and assassinate
yes.
Sowore.
Yes. I called a man, he's in the DIA. I called him and said, please, are you aware of so thing? He said, no, he's not aware that the guy is not even a serious threat as such. I said, then why is this man doing this? And I even told him, this case you people have with him, make sure it doesn't get to this 2023 election, because that's when you will see the impact of his incarceration. It's not proper. I lobbied without telling him. I think I've mentioned this to Dejade Onju before. My woman is aware of this thing I'm telling you. I don't like beating my drums in public. But the person I'm telling you about, if he watches this thing, he knows. That's why I'm using English for them to know exactly
to understand it.
What I mean. These are things I did I was good.
Did he say walai? I'm going to take it back a little bit. You know why I'm doing this? I just want us to understand something. Because most of us believe that talking about him, you are just being, insensitive. You are just, trying to talk anyhow. That I don't want to be tagged like that. But it is always good for you to be real. Hear him again. I just want to know if he said walai. So for you to know where everything is coming from.
These are things I did I was going to court when he was going to court. Even when I was a staunch Buhari supporter.
No,
for them to know exactly
to understand it.
What I mean. The person I'm telling you about, if he watches this thing, he knows. That's why I'm using English for them to know exactly
to understand it.
What I mean.
I purposely drag it back 2 times. You can hear that walai. Walai. Yeah, you know what it means. It kind of, I swear.
These are things I did I was going to court when he was going to court. Even when I was a staunch Buhari supporter. Go to my old YouTube account. I've lost access to it. You will still see every program I'm doing. You will see free or more Sowore there. So it's not as if, bro, I will tell anybody the truth. I don't care how close we are. And what brought my rift with him was this Nnamdi Kanu issue. Okay, you are saying you fought for me against the criminal pastors, but you went and joined those that the criminal pastors used to do what they did. That problem was not about that they are nonsense evangelists. Of course, he has no spiritual power. But it's these IPOB people that went, I will give you names of people off air. A serving senator in Abia State was contacted in a case of fake miracle. What he told me was, he told the person that reached out to him that I will sign undertaking, not to mention anything IPOB or insecurity in the Southeast or national platform again. Yes. He owns a newspaper. So you may know who I'm talking about. Abe Governor is my witness. Esther is my witness. I don't want to mention the name of the guy, but the guy is from Adamawa State. He's very close to the NSA. Are you understanding?
Yes.
So the same people are the ones you went to and you're telling me that you fought for who? So for that reason, I should support any evil you're doing. You either do good and do it in its entirety.
There's a popular opinion that Sowore is the most upright Nigerian activist.
As
You
for
don't think
Nigeria,
so?
as for Nigeria,
Mentioning his name and evil.
no, not evil in
the same sense.
no, not evil in the sense people mean it. Like when it comes to these activists in Nigeria, believe me, no one comes close to him.
Thank you.
But I'm also trying to bring to the attention of the people how low the standard is.
Okay.
He's better than each and every one of them because he makes himself easily accessible to people that have problem. But sometimes the end goal is just to antagonize the FG. You see where he's kind of getting a bit secular instead of straight. Are you on
The
this?
sole goal is like this is the only end goal he normally targets.
Yes.
The FJ linking everything
To the government, which is not supposed to be so. He makes himself easily accessible for anyone that needs help. That I give to him. When it comes to fighting for the downtrodden, he knows it. He knows how to do that, but there is this mindless hatred. If you notice, they hardly post any good news. Okay, yesterday or day before yesterday, he made a post and he mentioned my name and said, when I offended.
This is just part of the interview. I don't need to bring all the interview. And now, this is to show you that the guy, my purpose here is to let you know, first and first, he's
The evangelist. How did that?
Somebody contracted him because as an assassinator. You can never tell me that you are all of a sudden someone just walk up to you and say, hi, how are you? Okay, please, I'm calling you because I want you to assassinate A. I want to go and assassinate B. I want you to go and buy. No. You have shown, is that the person know maybe know what you do, or maybe people that have used you before must have reached out to them because these people that are that are good in point and buy know people, the materials that other buyers use. They're gonna reach out to them for them to use it as well. And in the past, this guy have said something in that line before. I want you to listen to this.
Promote your issue and your family will not do anything. Make trailer kill me for road.
Now, here is the UDELE. Telling Ebukobi he's gonna buy you comot to issue. If I not buy you comot to issue, make trailer buy me for road. If I jam you, I go buy you comot your issue. Now, pay attention.
If I no buy you, come out your issue, and your family will not do anything, make trailer kill me for road. Ebuka Obi is a nobody. He know the people where they talk to. If I know by you, come out to your issue. I'm saying it openly now. Come, I go. Ebuka Obi legal team. Come, copy this one, cut this one. So I want by Nnamdi Kanu brother. He go run behind DSS for Federal High Court Abuja. Like I told you people, you no get waiting. I go to do honor. Why I go to hide? Like say I break in neck, there you go by. By now I go still outside. Now shout on I go shout. Any media owner will put mouth there. I go send them go meet Emmanuel Kanu where he go there that time. It's very simple. You come out go work, you no go reach house. This thing that they talk about secretly, whether I go begin from your family, they buy first before you go come. You dey hear me? You go come with your real name now. Make I begin to knock your family first. I will treat you as a human being by I never do am. I make the people who I don't buy their siblings come outside now talk. I tell you, say.
Now he said, "I never do am." That means, have I not been doing it? Have I not been doing it? Now, there's a video of somebody that, Ike Guragu shared some time ago. That video was actually, on social media, where they buy a young guy and Bupi Belicia. Then Ike Guragu, in his own video, was not focusing, he was talking about that incident. His anger was who filmed that video. That people should stop filming this kind of thing, because if they catch you, that you also be like that person. That the guy that they buy Bupi was filming the army, according to him, going from place to place in the villages and all that. They saw the guy and stopped him by the guy Bupi. Guess who? This guy is also linked up to that. These are people who told you that Anibo got them also. Financial Jojo and Anibo. If you go for Nabo, have them, catch a parade. A bokoli sim like Hagana, we invaded the camp. A bokosi is in the man now. Obo them mad we pack and now the place secret that no if I with them at the camp and all that. Am I supporting any criminality, any hideout of criminals? No. Am I supporting any kind of anybody? No. But we have to say this truth so that you know what the guy is capable of doing. And does it surprise you that saying all those things, nobody have come forward to challenge him? He have demanded, he have boasted how he buy up, like what he said here. Have I not been buying people? Now I'm gonna take it back a little bit. This Epicobi is not the first person. I'm not the Epicobi fan. I'm not his fan. But am I wishing or hoping that people are gonna buy him? No. Do you understand what I'm saying? He has said this to many, many, many other people, not only on Ebugobi alone. So many have received this kind of threat. He will threaten to buy Bupi and get away with it. No, but nothing will happen. Hear him again before we move forward. Pay attention.
Begin to knock your family first. I will treat you as a human being by I never do am. I make the people who are
haven't I done it before?
Come outside now talk. I tell you, say I go they do am. You go know who they do am, but fear no go let you talk am, because if you talk, I go add you there. The Tozo for Asaba, well now they buy data for where you dey. Where they don't buy them now. That you know, he issue no day. Una no go even see the body. If una manage see am, he issue no day. I go buy your family and they talk about.
I don't know the person in Asaba. He said that they are buying data for. He bragging that he acquired the person, and he should know them.
I go first they give her your family at least. If I buy 2 or 3, you must come back. And as you come back, you no go. You no go. I carry water for my talker. I go buy, I go begin, like your people go call you, say, hey, how do you bring upon us? Abi you think say all these on our ESM boys will do anything? I go buy them where I buy them remain. If I no buy you come out to your issue, and like I said, nothing would happen. Absolutely nothing would happen after when I cry and I go cry.
Now, this is what surprises me. He threatened all those, making all this threatening, and nothing happened. Now, don't tell me, oh, he's a nobody, he's somebody. Or unless he prove me otherwise. Now, this is when he met with Sowore in during Mazan Gano's court case.
How are you now? How far? Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so I'm not doing anything bad. No problem, no problem.
I'm not doing anything bad.
Well, you know we had to stand for you when they oppress you. So if you are standing for oppression, you know the problem.
That was then, right? This recent threat that he just released on Sowore, because Sowore tweeted it, the guy came out and began to mock Sowore again, and also dare him to march for Master Mekano in Imo State. Hear him.
I hope the people he surrounds himself with will.
What he did, he copied that video that Sowore tweeted and began to write on it on his page. And this is his reaction, and what he made a new threat as well.
Reject the type of the type of offer I rejected to assassinate him. I will tell you this for free. Yes. I called somebody has made that offer to me. When we are off, I will tell you who.
To go and assassinate
yes.
Sowore.
Yes. I called a man, he's in the DIA. I called him and said, please, are you aware of so thing? He said, no, he's not aware that the guy is not even a serious threat as such. I said, then why is this man doing this? And I even told him, this case you people have with him, make sure he doesn't get to this 2023 election, because that's when you will see the impact of his incarceration. It's not proper. I lobbied without telling him. I think I've mentioned this to Dejade Onju before. My woman is aware of this thing I'm telling you.
I'm not coming on and why you.
I don't like beating my drums in public.
Okay.
But the people...
so, Sowore, you are pretending as if you're hearing this for the first time, right? You mean I've not told you? I told you this at the Federal High Court. 2022, towards the end of 2022, I told you this, and I told you to be very, very careful with the people you surround yourself with, and I believe I told it to Barrister Deji. Mama alone knew about this when it happened. So why are you pretending you're just hearing it for the first time? So whether is this the first time you're hearing it, you just want to play victim. You just want to pretend like you are just hearing it for. Is this the first time you're hearing it? Really? Swear on your children that this is the first time you're hearing it, motherfucker. You bastard. Why are you pretending as, and I still make you my offer? Come and stage your free Nnamdi Kanu protest in Imo State. You know go. Because I don't see you as any threat. But if you want to insert yourself into the intra-Igbo civil war that is ongoing, by siding on the Nnamdi Kanu side, you go. We are not afraid of you. Like you are a nobody. I don't even know how Nigerians do it.
What is intra-Igbo civil war? The military you are using, they are there entirely Igbos. I don't understand what they mean by intra-Igbo. It's just called this coded Nigerian Biafran civil war. It's not, because it's not even a war. Because Biafrans are not even doing anything to resist this offensive from you guys. I don't see anything resistance. The problem is that my own pain about the whole thing is innocent people that are paying their, dying for nothing. Dying for nothing. Because most of the things that you are doing there is just picking your enemies, which I don't know why you have an issue with them. Picking them just to buy them, and you just have free will. Nobody unchallenged. So how is it a war? Anyway, let's continue.
If you are like, what the fuck will you do? Did I threaten you? I never threatened you, and I told you, see what's going on. Because I considered you a friend at the time. Now you are supporting evil. Come do your free Nnamdi Kanu protest. I know now waiting make you wan come dey do me I go play defensive for who? You me go play defensive about you. Come do your free Nnamdi Kanu protest for Imo State. You no go na me dey promise you that one. Come, that nonsense you did in Aba, come and try it in Owerri.
Before now, I used to, take his word for granted, but it is now clear to me that no will anything. Nobody get close to his challenge. If you doubt me, prove it. But last time I checked, nobody. I just want you to see this. That when we tell you that it is just about Ndugu, making sure that they're using him to install their Ruga. And nobody wants Ruga. Those that try to give that kind of relax, space, relax themselves and open their doors for them to strive in their places are receiving it with Benue State and many other places are paying the price. Of course, Kwara State cannot be ignored. These are places that they have their their chance and they're striving, doing what they think they can do to conquer and to take fully charge of those places. And in Igbo land, you cannot take full charge without using people that people have been contracting to take life away, according to him. And he said it. Why I played the video of Bebuku where he threatened Bebuku. If you listen very well, you understand what I'm talking about, because he even said, "Have I not been doing that?" He mentioned somebody in Asaba. He called that buying data for him. Where is the person now? The person has gone and all that. Let me know what you think about all we have discussed so far. And please don't like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. See you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.